flight now. Oh my, LA at another couch now. Oh my, I'm counting up nothing but Benjamins right now.
What's going on YouTube? All Things Philly 93 come back with another unboxing video. This is another pickup from Nike.com, so let's go ahead and cut them open and see what we got.
Oh my, got my mama that new house now. Mama, oh my, now she can't kick me out now. No, oh my, I've been up for a long time.
Alright, so we have the Kobe 11 Elite Low AS, size 13. The official colorway is listed as green glow, black, and something violet, and then retail was 220 bucks. So here we have the Kobe 11 Elite Low All-Stars, and these things are absolutely crazy in person. This mint color really pops off the shoe. The material all over the upper is really nice fly knit. It's got some really cool details on the tongue and the tongue tab and on the heels of the shoes and things like that. It's also got a 3M swoosh, and I also believe that the outsole glows in the dark. I'm not 100% on that, but I'm pretty sure I've seen pictures where this is glowing right here. Also, it seems like the top of the tongue and the back of the heel is actually leather, and if it actually is, that's pretty awesome. These remind me a lot of a low-cut version of the Kobe 9 All-Stars, which I thought that was a really sick colorway, but I wasn't too into the moon boot style. I love the silhouette of the Kobe 11 Elite Low, and this being his last All-Star game, and they put out a really dope colorway, I just had to pick these up. I couldn't pass on them. I'm really glad that I was able to cop these pretty easily and throw them in my collection. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this quick unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I grabbed from Nike.com. I will have a new pickup video coming sometime soon. I've got a ton of pickups from the last time that I made a pickup video until now, so be on the lookout for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
I can hear the words coming. I can hear the streets coming. I can hear the streets coming. Aquafina water.